Yeah, hi there. This is a quick lab GSP315. So this is a challenge lab, as you can see here. So this is to perform foundational infrastructure tasks in the Google Cloud. So we'll be doing this challenge lab. Let's start the lab. We're going to launch Google Console in incognito mode. There are two users, user 1 and user 2. So I launched the console using this user 1 account and the password. So this is launched now, Google Cloud Platform, and I have opened the Cloud Shell. Now let's start working on the lab. Let's confirm whether it's the first account. It is 0043A93. Yeah, this is the first account. Project is correctly set. Let's clear the screen. Task. Let's go to the task. It says to create okay, before that, all the resources they want to be created in the US East 1 region and US East 1B zone. So let me just quickly execute that so that we can set the default zone and region. Zone is set to US East 1B and region is now set to US East 1. Now we have to create a bucket. So for creating a bucket, we are going to use, we have to give a unique name. So we are going to make the use of project ID and append keyword to it. Okay, let's create the bucket. Bucket is created. We can quickly check it also under the storage browser. Let's open it in a new tab. Okay, we can see the bucket is created. So let's go back to the Cloud Shell and to the lab. Let's check the progress. Okay, bucket is created. Now we have to create a pub subtopic. So let's do this. We have to create a topic. So using this command, gcloud pub subtopics create my topic. Check the task. This is done. Now we have to create a function called as index.js, and in the line 15 of this task we have to replace with the topic. So let's copy the code and vi index.js. Let's go to line 15 and we are going to replace topic with the topic name that we created. The topic is my topic. Index.js is saved now. Let's create package.json also. Okay, now I have deployed the function using the command gcloud functions deploy. Function name is thumbnail. The bucket is the bucket that we had created, and the topic trigger topic is the topic which we had created earlier, and we are going to use Node.js 10 this time. So this is done. So let's check the status of this function. Status is active, so it means this function is fine, cloud function is fine. Now we can see if we can check something here in terms of progress. Cloud function, it doesn't look like we have completed this step. Okay, what we have to do, we have to upload a file in our bucket. Okay, so let's do that. So we have to go to storage, and here we have to upload a file. I have downloaded one file, map.jpg. Let's check it out. Close. Yeah, and then yeah, fine. So let's this is the one that we created, and we have uploaded the file. Okay, now we can see if it works or not. No, something is missing. Let's find it out. Yeah, there is a slight change that we have to do. So earlier we created the function based on the trigger on the pub sub, but as per the lab we have to create the function based on the bucket. So what we have to do, so I deleted that function, and then I use the front end to create this function thumbnail. So let me just quickly remove this. So what I did, I just went to this cloud functions. Under the create functions, I created the thumbnail function with the details as given in the lab. Region is US East 1, and bucket name, this is the bucket that we had created earlier, and runtime is Node.js 10. So once this is done, and if you go to the bucket, if you upload a JPG file, automatically at the time, because as soon as the file is uploaded, it will create a thumbnail image. And then if you go to the to check the score of the task, you will see that it has completed. Let's validate now. This is done now. Now what we have to do, we just have to remove the previous cloud engineer. So we can see there are two users, user 1 and user 2. Now one is with your account, that is the role of the owner, other is with the role of the viewer. So we would like to keep our security tight. So please remove the previous cloud engineer's access to the project. Okay. So we will connect to the console. So I am in console under the IAM. So let's see, this is the second account. Let's select the second account and edit the member, and let's see, we We remove this permission to this, save it, and let's check our progress. So once we check our the progress, okay, this is done. So all the tasks of this particular lab are done. So we can end the lab now. That's it. Thank you.